Winter is here, the days are shorter, the nights are longer. It can be tempting to curl up and hibernate until spring. But don't let those creative sparks fade. Winter is the perfect time to tackle those indoor projects you've been dreaming of. There's a special kind of magic in transforming your home with your own two hands. This winter, let's bring that magic to your walls. We'll explore some easy and exciting DIY wall projects. These are perfect for adding character and warmth to your living spaces. No matter your skill level, there's a project out there waiting for you. So grab your tools, put on some comfy clothes, and let's get started. Before we dive into our main project, let's explore some inspiring wall decor ideas. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance, a splash of color, or a unique texture, there are countless ways to transform your walls and make your space truly your own. These are perfect for adding a touch of personality to your home. From personalized art pieces to unique wall hangings, the possibilities are endless. Wood slat walls are very popular right now. They offer a modern yet cozy feel that can complement any room. Wood slat walls add warmth and texture. They can make a space feel more inviting and comfortable. They can transform a plain wall into a stunning focal point. Love that farmhouse look? Wood slat walls are perfect for achieving that rustic charm. Shiplap is a classic choice. It's been a favorite in home decor for years and continues to be a popular option. It's easier to install than you might think, and it instantly adds charm to any room. Plus, it works well with various decor styles. Built-in shelves are both stylish and practical. They can be customized to fit any space and provide a seamless look. They provide storage space and a place to display your favorite items. From books to decorative pieces, built-in shelves can showcase it all. You don't need exposed brick to get that urban loft feel. Faux brick panels are a fantastic alternative. Faux brick panels are easy to install and create a dramatic statement. They can instantly elevate the look of any room. Add a touch of elegance with decorative molding. It's a timeless way to enhance your walls. Use it to create picture frame moldings, wainscoting, or even ceiling medallions. These details can add a sophisticated touch to your home. For this essay, we'll focus on creating a stunning wood slat accent wall with built-in shelving. This project combines style and functionality. It's a versatile project that can be customized to fit your style and space. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more elaborate, this project can be tailored to your needs. Imagine this, a beautiful wood slat accent wall that becomes the centerpiece of your living room. This stunning feature can transform any space, adding warmth and texture. It's easier to create than you might think. With a few tools and some patience, you can achieve a professional look. Let's break down this project. Opt for common lumber like pine or cedar. These materials are not only budget-friendly but also versatile. These are budget-friendly and easy to work with. When selecting your lumber, make sure to choose pieces that are straight and free of large knots. Select boards that are straight and free of large knots. This ensures a smooth and even finish for your accent wall. The space between your slats is a matter of personal preference. You can customize it to fit your style and the room's aesthetic. A wider gap creates a more airy feel, making the room look larger and more open, while a narrower gap offers a modern look. This can give your space a sleek and contemporary vibe. Add functionality and visual interest by incorporating built-in shelves into your design. These shelves can be both practical and decorative. These are perfect for displaying books, plants, or decorative items. They add a personal touch to your accent wall. This project is all about making it your own. Personalize it to reflect your taste and creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different wood types, slat spacing, and shelf placements to create a design you love. The possibilities are endless. Before we start building, let's gather our tools and materials. Don't worry, this project won't require a trip to a specialty store. You can find most of these items at your local home improvement center. You'll need wood slats, wood glue, finishing nails, wood filler, sandpaper in 80 grit and 120 grit, paint or stain in your choice of color, polyurethane if desired, shelf brackets and shelf boards if you're adding shelves. As for tools, grab a measuring tape, level, stud finder, pencil, miter saw or handsaw, nail gun or hammer, safety glasses and work gloves. Having everything on hand before you begin will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Section 5, measuring, marking and cutting your slats. Now comes the fun part. Let's start building. Begin by carefully measuring your wall to determine how many wood slats you'll need. Mark the location of your wall studs using a stud finder. This is important for ensuring your slats are securely attached. Using a miter saw or hand saw, cut your wood slats to the desired length. It's always a good idea to cut one slat at a time and double-check your measurements. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Once your slats are cut, lightly sand any rough edges using 80 grit sandpaper. This will ensure a smooth and splinter-free finish. Section 6. Adding color and character with paint or stain. Now, it's time to infuse your wood slats with color and personality. You can choose to paint or stain your slats depending on your desired look. Painting your slats. Apply a primer to your slats before painting. This will help the paint adhere evenly. Once the primer is dry, apply 2 coats of your chosen paint color, allowing ample drying time between coats. Staining your slats. Apply your chosen stain color evenly to the slats using a brush or rag. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time. For added durability, apply a coat of polyurethane sealant once the stain is dry. Whether you choose paint or stain, make sure to protect your work surface with a drop cloth. Section 7. Let there be light. Adding the final touches. This is the moment where all your hard work comes together. With your slats prepped and painted or stained, it's time to install them on the wall. Make sure each slat is completely dry before moving on to the next step. This is where your earlier stud markings come in handy. These markings will guide you in placing the slats securely. Use construction adhesive and finishing nails to attach each slat to the wall, ensuring they're level as you go. Take your time to make sure everything is aligned perfectly. If you're adding built-in shelves, now's the time to install them. These shelves will add both functionality and style to your accent wall. Attach shelf brackets to the wall studs, making sure they're level. This will ensure that your shelves are sturdy and can hold weight. Then, place your shelf boards on top of the brackets. Double-check that everything is secure and level. For a magical finishing touch, consider adding LED strip lights behind the slats. These lights will add a warm glow and highlight the texture of the wood. This will create a warm and inviting ambience. The soft lighting will make your space feel cozy and welcoming. Step back and admire your handiwork. You've put in a lot of effort and now you can see the beautiful results. You've successfully transformed your space with a beautiful and functional accent wall. Enjoy the new look and feel of your room. Section 8. Share your masterpiece and keep creating. Congratulations on completing your DIY wood slat accent wall. We hope this project brought you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Post pictures of your creation on social media and inspire others to embrace their inner DIYer. Remember, the most important part of any DIY project is to have fun and be proud of what you create. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on things and let your creativity shine. Happy crafting!